Good morning! It's a beautiful morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday, wherever you guys are, whether it's night, whether it's day. I hope you guys are all having a great Tuesday. Most of you are probably like, whoa, what the hell is wrong with this guy? Tuesday just started. Well, my Tuesday started about an hour ago, and hey, this Tuesday started about 7 hours ago. So happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys are all on the same level that I am. Let's go and make some for money, guys. I know I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Guys, first thing first, you know what we gotta look at? The fundamentals. So let's take a look at the fundamentals. Let me invite our people on to the live stream. Let me get them on, guys. One thing I realized. One thing that I realized, guys, if you want to take your training to the next level, all you gotta do is put in the time, put in the work. You know. All right. Let's go here. Let's invite our people over. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and we're here where we got them. We just invited them. All right, and let me turn the air on real quick. All right, guys. Fundamentals first, always. You know me. I'm big on my fundamentals and my technicals. So we got. Oh, we do have news today. Why did I think we didn't have news today? So we do have news. You see, guys, this is why it's so important, guys, to always make sure you know what's going on. You know, I promise you, I kid you not. I thought that we only had news. Well, that we were starting news tomorrow, Wednesday, and I could have been trading, and maybe I wouldn't see the volume that I was expecting. So now I'm not gonna get caught off guard. Now I'll be ready. So simple, guys. It's just check your fundamentals. It literally took us 2 minutes since we've been on the live stream to come and check our fundamentals. Let me see something real quick, guys. All right, guys. So we have consumer confidence. Let's check it out. Also, another thing, guys, that I will be paying attention. I'm gonna see when the last time consumer confidence was released, and we're gonna see how much of an impact it had on the markets. Cause maybe I'm expecting volume to kick in with this consumer. maybe. Sorry, guys, I'm a little distracted right now. So. Okay, maybe there was volume, maybe there wasn't volume, so I want to stay prepared and ready for that news. Now, what is a consumer confidence for those that don't know? You know, it's real simple, guys. You can click on the detail right here. This is what I love about Forex Factory. It is a level of composite index based on surveyed households. So actual greater than forecasted is good for currency, and we're forecasting less than the previous report. So the next release, it's released every week apparent. Oh no, once a month towards the end of the month. So why traders care? Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Okay, so they survey about 3,000 households, which ask respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. The conference board. Okay, so that's why it's called consumer confidence. The conference board, consumer confidence. Now, let's see here. What else we got? Home sales. Okay, so the last report that was released was on August 29. So let's do this, guys. Trading view. Yeah. People are something else, bro. Okay, XAU USD. Let's see what type of impact it had on gold. This is nice, guys. Oh, my water. August 29th, if I'm not mistaken. So August 29 would be right around here. Oh, okay. So it did impact the news. Yeah, it did impact the news. We saw on gold about $225 pip move on gold. So we could expect volume to kick in today. So now I know, guys. Now I know that I will be strict with myself, and I will wait for the 4-hour candle closure, which is happening in 45 minutes. And I will wait. I'm sorry, guys. I will wait for candle closures as well. So I'm not gonna rush trades or anything like that, because you know. I won't rush trades, guys. Not today. What just happened? News. All right. New home sales, Richmond manufacturing index. There's a bunch of USD news today. I didn't even know, but the one that I'm really looking forward to is consumer confidence. All right. Now let's go take a look at FinViz. See how our indices are doing. Now, our indices are performing pretty good today on a one-day relative performance. Not so good, but they are a bit bullish. Also, we are sort of trading over this level of resistance that I'm seeing on Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. Dow is currently up 0.13%. Nasdaq is up almost 0.5%, and S&P 500 is almost up 0.5% as well on the one-day relative performance. As you can see, most of our stocks are also a bit bullish, so that's good to see. Let's go take a look at our Forex pairs to see how the dollar is performing. A little bit of indecision with some pairs, but USD CAD bullish, Euro USD bullish, GBP USD bearish, USD CHF bullish, Euro GBP bullish, NZD USD bearish, USD JPY bearish, AUD USD bearish. So there's a little bit of indecision, as you guys could see, right? We'll just have to wait and see how the markets start to add up in a bit. There's not a lot of volume right now, guys. New York session opened up, so we just gotta wait for prices to choose a direction and be set and 100% with that direction. Let's go here. What up, Kai? What up, AJ? How you guys doing, guys? I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. Put this here, come over here. Let's get ready to cut some trades. All right, let's go take a look at investing.com. All right, let's go take a look at our indices. Opere Forex. My ads are coming out in Spanish now just because I'm in Ecuador. Opere con el broker número uno. And here, this is why I like going to see investing.com and why I like checking out FinViz, guys. Here, both are telling us different things. S&P 500 is telling us that it is a bit bullish, almost 0.5%. Now it's telling us that US 30 and NAS 100 are both bearish, and on FinViz it was telling us that they were bullish. So guys, I will be waiting for, at least with Nasdaq, I will be waiting for price to choose a direction so we can get a real confirmation on whether it's bullish or bearish, right? Now let's go check out our technicals. I didn't even know I could do that. That was pretty cool. My Wi-Fi is a bit laggy today, guys. I don't know why. Can you guys let me know on the stream if it's running smoothly? Chilling, bro. How about you? I'm pretty good, bro. Everything, I feel so great. I guess it's how, bro. I'm telling you, how you wake up is how you end your day. If you start your day great, you end your day great. If you start your day bad, you end your day bad. All right, so let's take a look at before we take a look at gold, let's take a look at the DXY actually. All right, so the DXY, we're still uptrending, guys. We have this trend line here that we placed, and it seems to be respecting it. The big question that investors are having at the moment is, when will the DXY start to melt, right? How much longer is the DXY going to continue to rise? Will it reach record highs again over there at 107,850? Or is that even record highs? I don't even think so. I think 110 is record highs. Yeah. 165 is record highs. Will we reach monthly highs, right? Which is 120, or will we just continue to trade right there around 100 levels, or will we go and trade near 90, 80s, or 70s levels again, right? Now, I guess a big factor of the dollar is obviously the economic events, right? Such as like the one that we have today, Fed statements, CPI, PPIs, right? All those economic events play a big role on the dollar. Now, we also have elections right around the corner, right? So the elections could play another big factor into the U.S. dollar. Maybe the U.S. dollar is not ready to start, heading to the direction it should be heading. We'll just have to be patient, guys, as investors, and know when to be cash and know when we can be in certain investments, right? That's why I always tell people cash is also a position. Sometimes the markets are not adding up, they're not making sense. We may see price going up when it should be going down, and those moments it's better to stay cash, right? When there's indecision. Now, the US dollar today, let's take a look at the daily. Let's see how it closed yesterday. The US dollar yesterday closed with a bullish candle. Now, we are seeing that we are rejecting this 106 level. Now, and we're also seeing a bearish candle. We've already made a top wick on the DXY. Now, what I am anticipating with this bearish candle, it sort of seems like a doji candle, right? We could start to engulf the previous bullish candle and touch the trend line, and then possibly continue with the trend. Our SMAs now are giving us giving us positive indication towards the upside. So it's not a good moment our SMAs are not in our favor to short the dollar. That being said, we could see shorts happen within the shorter time frames, but overall in the higher time frames, we could expect the US dollar to continue, or we could see a range, right? If we could see consolidation, then that's another indication that price is getting ready for a big movement. Remember, the bigger the range, the bigger the breakout. Now here off the 4-hour time frame, we see this range that we formed here, right? And we're starting to see breakout of that minor level of consolidation. Now, let's zoom in a little bit. Now, if we can get a 4-hour candle closure underneath this range, it'd be good indications to take the shorts, the sells on the DXY. Now let's take a look at gold. Now that we know Gold has just been bleeding lately. Let's take a look at the daily. And let me remove this. I'm gonna leave the trend line. Let's see something. How big is 180 pips? Okay, so now we're also trading at a nice level here on gold. We have this sort of this level of support over here, right? So let's see how we trade near this level of support. Let's put another one here. Let's see if we can trade back into this range and sort of range there, right? Now let's see where our level of resistance is. Alright, so now that we've got our support and resistance set, we know how big is this range. It should be like 300 pips or at least 500 pip range. Fire. Now this is off the daily, that's why it doesn't matter that it's so big of a range. Remember guys, for those of you that don't know, or for those of you that are new to the YouTube, whenever I use the horizontal lines, which are these blue lines, that is indicating higher time frame level of support and resistance. And then when I use my horizontal rays like these, those are shorter time frame levels of support and resistance, and I use those to plan my trades, like exit points and entry points. Also guys, it's just a way of me for staying organized and having my chart visible in a neatly manner, right? I don't like, if I were to mix both of them with shorter time frames and higher time frames, I won't know which one is which, and I'd rather know, where we could see the big move. And I like it like that. It's just, my style of trading. Water so refreshing, guys. All right, now the daily. Now we're also seeing. I really want to see how we trade near this level of support, guys. 1910. It is a level with a lot of reaction, so we got to keep an eye on that. As you can see, we saw breakout here, rejection near that level, rejection over here, breakout of that level. We saw rejection over here, and then we saw trade on that level, and then we saw breakout, rejection, rejection, breakout, rejection, rejection, and now we're trading near that level as well. So we will have to pay attention to where it's currently at. The 4-hour candle currently bearish, engulfing the previous wick. So we got 30 minutes left for this candle closure. Depending on how this 4-hour candle closure closes, then we could take a certain trade to a certain side, right? If we reject, we could take the buys, and if we see candle closures underneath previous low, trading back into this range, we could possibly take the sells. But we got to be patient. We got to wait. Our estimates are not in a favor at the moment, so we must be patient, guys. Patience will reward us. Let's see if we have anything here. What else do we got? Guys? Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. There's not a lot of volume, as you guys could see yet. Price is sort of a bit choppy right now, but we all have been downtrending for the past couple of days. Let's go here. That could possibly play out. So let's see if we start to see breakout out of this trend line, minor level trend line. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Our estimates are also curving to the downside on shorter time frames, so this could be price consolidating to continue to the downside, right? But we gotta wait. Maybe it starts to push with the news. So we don't know. We're not sure yet. Not a lot of volume at the moment. Price has only been melting for Asian session. It's been melting. London session, it's been melting, of course. London session was a bit not much volume, but it's been trading to the downside, and we're now currently in New York session. So let's see. We saw some bullish volume try to kick in, but it didn't last too long. Let's check out Nice. Bro, I need GJ to drop for real, bro. Are you in GJ already? Are you in GJ or are you looking for GJ trades? Voy subiendo. Nas. I was able to catch scalp Nas sells yesterday. That was pretty nice. But let's see. Nas, 28 minutes till candle closures. Voy subiendo. Voy bajando. Yeah, it's that cocoa. You're in. What's your entry level, sir? Haven't taken a look at GJ in a minute. Let's take a look at GJ. Are you in? Well, you're in sales because you need it to drop. Shit! Look at this. When did I ever used to trade with this green horizontal? Damn! Look at this. Look at this fat range. Insane. 70 pip range. Sells right now 181.410. Well, but you're already in it. You got in right here. Oh, you got in with the breakout with this minor range right there. What's your take profit, sir? Bro, we're already up 10 pips. What the fuck? I didn't press anything, it just directs me to the dictionary. Damn, I haven't traded GJ in a minute. I feel confident trading GJ. I mean, the sells are looking nice. If I were to take a trade, I would take the sells with you, sir, so we can be on the same trade. But I don't trade GJ, bro, and it's against my trading plan to trade GJ at this time, especially at this time. It's New York session. The only pairs that I trade during New York session are NAS 100 and gold or US 30. But I don't really like trading GJ outside of session, bro. I only trade GJ in Asian session or London session. It's just in my trading plan. I'm very strict with that, guys. Stick to your trading plan. You know, I'm not trying to. If I win, great. But the problem is that let's say I win, right? Then next thing you know, tomorrow I might want to do it again. And then the other day I might want to do it again. Then I'll have to switch up my trading plan, or I'll just be going against my trading plan. So I'd rather stick to that one pair gold, especially New York session. But GJ, throwback to GJ. GJ was actually like the first pair that I ever started trading. Also with EJ and EU. And GU and GJ were nice. GU was pretty nice to start trading because with GU it's like textbook trading, literally. So it just moves so nice with it, but it's just slow. Like you'll be up like 10 pips and be up like with one law just a couple bucks, and on GJ you'll be up one law and it's like you'll be up more, but GJ moves with more volume than GU as well. So trade what suits you, yes sir, yes sir. But somebody had recently asked, I think it was Rusty Banks, just recently had recently asked me to trade London session with him. But I will be trading London session one of these nights just to be out there and trade GJ. Take a look at gold buys. I like the gold buys, to be honest with you. I like although we've been melting, guys, it's risky, but I like buying. I like buying on gold. Now I will be waiting 22 minutes, so let's see. Hopefully, in these 22 minutes, it can play out right, and it can set up nicely for us. Let's start planning our minor levels of support and resistance as well. Now that we're waiting, this is our moment to plan those things. So this would be my first level of TP if I were to get in, right? It looks something like this. I probably put a tight stop loss. See, it's gonna keep melting. This is why we wait, guys. This is why we wait for candle closures. Oh, I need to sneeze. Oh, that moment when you need to sneeze and you don't sneeze. Jeez Louise, look at that melt. Guys, news hasn't even been released. Alright guys, we can't be looking for buys much longer because we're trading back into this range. Now let's plan the trade as if we were going to take the sells so we can be ready. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Alright, 1905 will be our next level of support. So let's see how we trade near that level. I want to see where we get our candle closures. And next level of support will be 1900 level. And this is pretty much a game of patience. Is GJ dropping? Oh, you're up, sir. Damn, I see how GJ is possibly gonna wick fill this previous what's your TP again? 180, 100? Oh, that's fire. That's a fire TP. I think you're probably gonna hit TPs before we even catch a trade. I'll definitely be keeping an eye on this though, just cause you're in it, sir. What are you guys doing today? Well, how's your Tuesday treating you guys? Are you guys gonna what's your plan like? What are you guys doing today? AJ, what are you up to today? Damn, my son is so professional. Yes, sir, Gene. Gotta practice on the forearm grip. Get that shit tight while we wait for trades. 1907. Let's check out this level real quick. 1907. Well, there's some reaction around this level. I think it's because of the 1905, 1900 level area. Lots of reaction near this level. Honestly, not so bad, bro. Woke up 2 hours, walked my dog, hit the gym for an hour, and now kind of just breakfast. Bro, isn't the lifestyle of a trader so nice? Like you wake up early, you walk your dog, you hit the gym, you ate breakfast, and now you're just waiting for your trade to hit TP. Like, and then you're gonna trade stocks. Like, dude. And after that, you're pretty much done with the day. Like, unless you make content or, unless you want to back test and continue review or look for more trades. But the trading lifestyle is so fucking, it's so rich, you know? Literally. Now, but that is also a bad thing, right? Having too much freedom in your day, because then there's gonna be days where you don't want to do anything. You're not gonna want to be productive. Like, I remember my best day once. I think my best day was I had like a $10,000 day once, right? Dude, that day I didn't do shit. You would think that you have a great day and you do something, you do nice, you're nice and you're like productive. Dude, I kid you not. I had a it was when I was trading London session. I had a $10,000 a day in London session, and I was drinking with my boy Daniel and Dollar and Pache, and we were just drinking, right? And then I think it was like 5 o'clock in the morning. I went to sleep in profit and everything. I wake up like 3 p.m. I was so bummy, like I was. But hey, that's trading lifestyle, I guess, right? But that's not the lifestyle that I'm trying to promote, nor is it the lifestyle that I'm trying to have anymore, right? That's why I'm all about. I've changed, I had my drinking days, I had my fun days, my going out days, my spending days, doing nothing days. But now it's all about, if you can have a $10,000 day again, be productive with it. Imagine having a $10,000 a day and going and doing the most as if you didn't make any money. You could possibly make more money. But yeah, I also quit drinking about like a month ago. So I've been 1 month sober. Just working out, eating right, going to sleep early. Like yesterday, I went to sleep at 11 o'clock. I'm trying to be in bed before 12. Well, I actually went to sleep at 10 p.m., but it's like 11. It's 1 hour behind, so 11 a.m. Eastern time. That's why, bro, I can't be stuck in the house. I'm always outside. I'm in downtown. You live in Miami, right? I feel like you told me already. Take a look at this 15-minute candle. Chicago. Chicago. I've never been to Chicago. I might definitely will visit one day. Not anytime soon though. I don't know if I'm going back to the US soon. I don't have to be there, so for the next 4 months I'll be stationed in South America. I think I want to hit up Texas later on. Yo, bro, that's actually true. Being a trader in Ecuador is a different type of treatment, bro. I kid you not, bro. My family be like, "Yo, and what do you do for work? Like, you just like, are you looking for a job over here?" I'm like, "A job? Yeah, right. I got my own job." And then they're like, "What do you do?" And I tell them, I explain to them what I do, and they're like, "Oh, like, it's crazy, bro, because like in the U.S., you tell somebody that you're a trader, and it's like there's like this interest, right? Has been oh shit, I gotta. What date are we today? Oh shit, I gotta. Okay. Yeah, bro, that's what I always be telling them. Like, so like when people ask me what I do for like a living or what I just tell them I work online. Like I work for my computer, and then they're like, "Oh, but like, what do you do?" Oh, I'm like, in Spanish it's funny, right? You're like, "Soy day trader," but I'm like, and then like, "Oh, so like you invest in like the stock market," and then I'm like, yeah, sometimes like if I'm trading indices, I'll trade like Nasdaq, but I typically trade like metals, right? Forex, gold, and they're like, "Oh," but then they see me like my cousin would see me like he'll see me live streaming for like an hour, 2 hours, and I'm on. I'll hop off, and then like I'll do content, and like midday I'm already done with work, so it's like I'm not really working. And then sometimes they'll be like, "Are you gonna work today?" I'm like, "I already worked. I posted something, or I called a trade, or I took a trade," you know. And then he's just like, "Oh, nice," and then, but it's like not much work. But yeah, I love it when people are like, "Oh, but what are you gonna do over there? Like, you should get a 9 to 5 over there. Like, get an hourly job." And I'm like, "What, nigga? Like, hourly job? Fuck that shit." I pay myself way more than an hourly job. Family, they're like, "Yo, what are you gonna do over here? There's no money to be made over here. There's no opportunities." I'm like, I don't give a fuck about opportunities. I make my own opportunities. The markets give me opportunities. But yeah, it's funny, man. Over here, and then you have that like time in your hands. Like for example, right now I'm in Ventanas, where I was telling you, AJ, which is like 2 hours and a half away from Guayaquil, from the city. So, mind you, like over here at the farm, we have employees that are literally, they start working at 6 a.m., bro. 6 a.m. they're already working, right? They finish work at 4. From 6 to 4 is the time that they work. So they'll just see me hanging around, walking around, riding in TV, riding horse, and they'll ask me, "Oh, what you do today? How's your day been?" I'm like, "Nothing. I worked. I'm working with AC. I'm working on my laptop and everything." And but these guys are working hard. Don't get me wrong. They're hard workers, like hard workers. They're in the sun. They're going up hills, going down hills, slanging the machete, right? Dealing with the mosquitoes around them and all that, bro. They work hard. My respects to them, but they're getting paid $15 and $30 a day. $30 is what like the supervisor gets paid. The regular employees get paid $15 a day, and I'm out here making $15 a minute, pretty much, right? When I'm in a trade, depending on the trade. I mean, sometimes I've made $15 in one trade, obviously, because it's probably break even. But dude, like my profits are like a couple $100 a day. You get me? So when you're in a trade, bro, you literally feel like you're making money by the minute until you close your trade, right? Mad respect to the workers, but I just can't do that, bro. My respects too, and I give them my respects too because I was there once. I know what it was. I know what it's like. I know that feeling. I know that responsibility. I know that hustle. But it's just not it, bro. It's not it. Like, it's not it. I used to work for a homie of mine, and he would always like try to encourage me to like start my own thing. Like he would tell me like, "You think I want to have you here as like an employee of mine? Like I want to have you as a partner." Stop the other cap. You be up bands, sometimes, bro. But remember, AJ, that sometimes I'd be up bands, but like consistently is that's what I tell people. Like I can make $10,000 in one day. I've done it before several times, but I'm not gonna say I make $10,000 a day. You get me? At the end of the day, it's what I average, and I average more often than ever. Couple hundreds to 1,000, 2,000 a day. Like the least I'll try. Like to me is that I don't mind, bro. Like I don't care about making $200 a day. I remember trading. I remember when I used to make $100 a day, working a 9 to 5, and that was a good day for me. But not a lot of people can make $200 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day. That's how my trading actually really started to pop off. When I started focusing on, I used to go for like, the big bands. I used to go for the bands, right? I used to go for like 2,000 a day, for 5,000 a day. But the reality is not a lot of people make that type of money. And yet alone, I was making, in that time, I was only making $80 a day, $100 a day. So like, all of a sudden I want to start making 5 bands a day. Like, it's like, it's not realistic. It wasn't realistic. And I wasn't, that's why I wasn't doing so well. Modify 19. But yeah, so when I started like, saying, okay, how can I increase my income, right? How can I make more money? How can I double my income? That's when I realized, okay, let's go for 20 pips, on a 100K account. Well, at that time I was actually trading 50K accounts, 100K accounts. I was just passing challenges. I would get a couple payouts. My payouts were like $2,000 at that time. All I was focused on was literally like, how can I, look at gold starting to rip up. I thought we were gonna engulf that. 5 minutes left to a candle closure. But yeah, I started doubling my income because I would get paid $1,600. Well, actually, at the time I was getting paid $2,500, and I started making $2,000 off a funded account. So I'm like, dude, this is nice. Now I'm making $4,500. This is great. I'm doubling my income, right? The next thing you know, I would try to just, instead of making double my income, I would try to like triple it, right? Then quadruple it, I would try to compound it. But the truth reality of traders is like, especially something that I've noticed since I've been in this whole um, Forex industry, there's a lot of marketers out there. And there's a lot of people that aren't traders, bro. There's a lot of people that are straight marketers. And, they market that they make thousands a day, but the truth reality is they do not make thousands a day. Like, how are you making, like, it just, bro, to be making $10,000 a day, to be making $5,000 every day, like, if you do the numbers and you look at their lifestyle, it does not add up. It really doesn't add up. Like, how you make all that money, but you only got that. And they'll hit you with, oh, that I'm humble, is that I'm a simple person, I like simple things in life. But the truth is, like, they're just straight marketing. They're just straight marketing. That's why, Adrian, I tell you, like, exactly, bro. That's why I tell you, like, it's all about what you average at the end of the day. Not what you average in a month, because in a month you could average $3,000, but then the next 7 months you could be averaging $500. So that's why I average straight up couple $100, like not couple, but like in between $400 to $600. $300 to me is a good day. That's why to me it's a good day to be trading and make $100. Even $100 to me is a good day, cause dude, I'm doing nothing, straight up nothing. $100, and then people will pay me for challenge passing. People will pay me for account management. So it's trading money plus educational money, right? Plus account management money, plus other projects going on. Then it starts to add up, right? But just trading only, I average like $300 to $500 a day. That's what I average. And right now, especially, I've been trading a live account. I deposited $3,000 onto a live account. I'm not trading prop firm money at all. I don't have any funded accounts at the moment. So it's just, I'm doing a challenge to get it funded, but right now I'm just focused on live accounts. I'm trying to flip it, 3 bands to 10 bands, 10 bands to whatever it goes to. If I lose the 3 bands, I lose the 3 bands. I keep going at it, but with 3 bands to be making $1,000 is to $3,000 because you're probably over leveraging. And sometimes I do over leverage it because I have that setup. I have great setups and multiple confluences to my favor. How fire is my EA? My EA is pretty fire, bro. It's been tested. I was testing it for about 8 months before I launched it publicly, and after I launched it publicly, I think it's only for the past. I launched it publicly on January, I believe. So it's been going great, and it's for every 10 accounts, I think it blows only like 1, 2 max 2. So it's pretty good. This is why I fuck with you, bro. You keep it real. You got this, bro. Appreciate it. You got it as well, doggy. Yeah, bro. It's all about real. There's no need to cap. Like, for what? Like, to look good in front of the internet, to look good. Like, there's no need for that. Like, I know I'm good. I know I look good. Like, that's all that matters, bro. But people want to be accepted, right? People are bitches, straight up. 1910. What is gold gonna do? So 4-hour candle closure just closed. We just opened up with a bearish candle. Let's see how big that bottom wick is gonna be. Have you ever heard about Fidel Crest? They're funding up to 1 million, bro. My bro got paid out. Damn, he actually got paid out. See, I like hearing that. How much? What account size did he have? What account size did he have, and how much did he get paid out, if you don't mind me asking? Like, and did you like, what type of affiliation does he have to this prop firm as well? I have obviously been like bad, and some have been good, but he had a $1 million account. No way. What? That's. But how much does a $1 million account cost? Hopefully they're not taxing. Oh, not even bad. $3,000. That's fire. Oh, so they only have Yo, I'm gonna try him out. Yo, what? He's just a regular trader. Fine. Yo, what? Yo, AJ, now I'll probably actually be averaging thousands of dollars a day with this shit. Bro, I'm gonna try them out. I'm actually gonna put this here and I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna try them out. Like 3K a day type shit. I think $3,400 a day is what you need to become, what you need to reach a milli. And they're located in Dubai. Yo, I'm definitely trying them out. Fidel Crest. Are you funded, or are you in your like phase 1 or phase 2 stage? What account size do you have? You've got it, AJ. You seem like you've got it, brother. Take a look at Nas real quick. Nas is just there as well. $1 million. I start this week. Hopefully, bro. Just stick to your trading plans, to your rules. Don't get excited. AJ, bro. Something that would happen to me a lot, bro, was when I was trading. I think when I would trade the 200K account, because I remember once I was trading regularly from 100Ks to like 50Ks, but when I traded the 250K account, bro, I would get so excited when I would see big numbers, and I would get so demotivated when I would see big, like small numbers, right? Meaning like negative $4,000. I'm like, what the fuck, like, bro, like that's what I make like in like half a month, or like that's what I make in a month type shit, you know? And I'm down like in one day, one trade. So just stay cool, bro. DM me, brother. DM me, because I've never traded $1 million account, to be honest with you. So I really don't have a price for that, bro. But I'm down to do some account management with that. But just DM me. We'll talk about it after the live stream. So like that, we can talk clear. Let's see. Gold, bro, it's looking like it's looking not so righteous right now. We're just patiently waiting. I've been patiently waiting for a chance to get on it. $15 minutes candle closure, 15-minute time frame candle closure in 9 minutes. We'll be waiting. We're trading underneath that 1910 range, but we're trading above the range. So let's see what we could see in the next let's see what could happen. I've been patiently waiting for a chance to get on it. You guys think there's gonna be a lot of volume with the news? See something. Bro, just 1% of a million is 10K. That's what I'm saying, AJ. Like, I'm that type of trader, bro. Like, I don't go for the fucking 50%. I don't go for the 10%. I don't go for the 20%. I'm conservative. You know, I'm not an aggressive trader. But to me, like, if I have $1 million account, I'll be okay with the 1%. You know, and then I'll try to get one. My goal would be to get 1% a couple months consecutively, right? And if I can do that, then I can go for the 2%. If I can get 2% consecutively, then I can go for the 3%. GJ gotta stop trolling and melt for real. Oh, what's GJ up to? Damn, bro, I'm telling you, these pairs today, bro. There's not a lot of like volume at the moment. Imagine averaging 10% a month, 100K a month, bro. Just off trading, that'd be insane, bro. Bro, like my trading will go from like making, hundreds and thousands a day to making a couple hundred bands a day, bro. I mean, a month. That'd be crazy. I remember when I would first make like $50, 100 or two a month trading, to then making 1,000 or two a month, to then making 4,000 or 5,000 a month, to making 10,000 a month. But my best month ever in trading, ever in trading, was 12K that I made off trading in 1 month. But fuck, to be making 100K a month off trading, brother. Now that's a whole nother. That's the next level of a trader. Facts. Facts. Yo, we got it, AJ. Hey, we gotta get you that payout, brother. We gotta get you that payout so that fuck, bro. We go to Dubai and we tell them pay us cash. You heard? We'll meet you in Dubai and pay us cash. We go out there, brother. And we fucking shit. I was talking to somebody who's a realtor in Dubai, and he was telling me how real estate is so cheap, like compared to places like Miami, like where you buy a house that costs $500,000, and you get like a 3-2 type shit, 1-story house. Well, over there in Dubai with 500 grand, you can get like a fucking penthouse somewhere nice. Maybe not a penthouse. Maybe I'm capping a little bit, but like you'll get like a fucking nice house, bro. A nice house. Honestly, bro, I'm trying to get a couple projects going over here. I'm trying to get into the farming business over here, bro, because with this farm, there's a lot of projects that I want to do over here that my family isn't doing, having the farm already. So I want to work on these projects over here, and then when I'm finished with these projects, then I'm out ski. Look at gold, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I'm trying to buy pigs. I'm trying to buy like 25 pigs. I'm trying to buy cows, like 25 cows. Trying to buy and sell cacao, but with time, right now it's a little bit hectic over here. It's too dangerous, but we're planning soon. Hopefully by the time you come, we got some. Well, aren't you gonna be here like this week or next week or something like that? I got delayed, bro. If I'm being honest, I'm hitting Ecuador around December or November. Oh, fire! I mean, I'm gonna stay out here, bro. I'm getting I have to get I'm actually applying for my citizenship here. I'm opening up a bank account over here, and I'm applying for like citizenship. Since both my parents are from Ecuador, I qualify, so I can get a U.S. pass. So I have my U.S. passport, and I can have an Ecuadorian passport as well, so I can stay here as much days as I want. Damn, bro, no trade day so far. Not bad though. We got New York stock market opening up in 18 minutes. If we can respect these previous lows, I would like the buys, to be honest with you. Buys could be nice. Did you trade Snapchat yesterday? Bro, when you're in Ecuador, definitely tap in, bro. We'll meet up together and we'll trade together live, bro. We'll go live together and we'll hit, bro. We'll make some money together, bro. That's what it's all about. We just can't go in public and trade live, bro. We'll get robbed. You saw what happened to Snapchat yesterday, though? Kylie Jenner tweeted, "Does anybody use Snapchat anymore, or is it just me? Like, there's nobody ever use Snapchat anymore, or is it just me?" And then the stock just tanked. I think it was like the stock tanked like what, 15%, or maybe or more. Yo, facts. It'll definitely be a vlog, sir. Definitely a vlog. Alright, we've made a new range of the 15-minute time frame. Options is nice, bro. I kind of miss options. I kind of been wanting to get back into options, low key. Low key been wanting to get back into options, but just cause I have the time. Like like right now in 14 minutes I can be getting ready to trade options. Like no trade day in Forex, like no trade day with gold and Nasdaq. All right, no problems. Hop on and trade, stocks 9:30. What's good in Ecuador, bro? To be honest, well, right now I'm not in the city. I haven't been in the city in about like almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I've been in the city. So, but it's chilling, bro. I mean, it's a bit dangerous right now with elections around the corner. I think elections are these next couple days. We'll be electing the new president. So I think things will get calmer after that. But aside from that, I mean, I don't really see it as dangerous as people say. But I do hear things that happen to people. Like where I'm currently at right now on the farm, there's a small village about 15 minutes away, 10 minutes away from us. And like people just be getting robbed out there and shit. Like people be dying too. People be getting shot. Like if you don't have anything to like to give to the people seating, then they'll just shoot you and kill you because you couldn't give them nothing. Um, you just gotta be alert always on high alert. Aside from that, it's nice, bro. The food is great. Um, I be playing soccer. I don't know if you play soccer. So soccer's fun. I mean, I be doing my thing, but I don't really be going out, bro. Like Saturdays and Fridays, I'm inside. I'll be in bed early. Um, I don't really be going to club. I haven't hit a club in like a month. Last time I hit a club was nice though, and cheap. Bought a bottle of it was literally I think it was the weekend that made me go sober. Bought a bottle of like Blue Label and it was like $300. You play ice hockey? Nah, bro. I don't know. I don't know any ice hockey here. Not even field hockey. I don't think they got that. Why? Why do they be surprised when you tell them you trade stocks? Is it because you're young? It be like that, bro. Is that, bro? That there's this misconception that nowadays that to be a stock trader, like you gotta be wearing a suit and be living in New York, and you gotta have like you gotta be a certain age or have gone through school. But that's like the misconception. That's like before internet. Before internet was big. Like now you can bring Wall Street to you. Wall Street could be anywhere. You could be anywhere, and Wall Street will be with you. Like. So that's a huge misconception that people have about stock traders. I've noticed, but I guess it's slowly, little by little, it's starting to adapt, right? Oh, you're young, bro. I wish I made the mistakes I made sooner, bro, and I wish I knew what I knew sooner. If I could go back in time and make the same mistakes again, I'd do them sooner, bro. That's the only thing I do. You're literally blessed, bro. You got a bright future ahead of you, bro. You're young. I'm 24. 6-year difference. I really started trading when I was 21. It was when I started trading for real. Um 21, 20, like 18 like so I learned about trading when I was 17, right? 16, 17, I learned about trading. I didn't really understand it much. Then around 17, I started dabbling with penny stocks. I didn't do so well. I would trade VIX. I would trade there was like pro shares. I would trade velocity shares as well. But I would never do so well. Then I get introduced to Forex when I was like 17 as well. I got into it through iMarkets Live. I figured out it was was a scamming thing and didn't feel comfortable. I stopped doing it. Stopped studying Forex. A year later, a year goes by. I start wanting to study again. I stop. A year goes by. I'm now like 19, 20. I start trading penny stocks again. And I start trading stocks, but I start buying shares, and I try. I would look at shares that were down like a big percent, right? I went. It was decent. I got into option trading, and then when I got into option trading, that's when I was like, all right, this is what I want to do. But I would lose money. I think I lost like the first year trading. I lost $10,000. I'm lying. I lost 20K that first year trading. I lost 20K. Trading options. I'm lying, bro. Yeah, 20K. I had lost $10,000 on Robinhood, and then I lost like $7,000 on Thinkorswim. I stopped trading, and then momentum trading. What is that? And then after that, bro, I was boys with Dollar, and then Dollar was like studying Forex for a whole year, and then I saw he was studying Forex and studying Forex and studying Forex. He was always taking Daniel Savage's course, and like Daniel Savage was his mentor, right? Daniel Savage was the one who taught him how to trade, and then that's when he was the one who got me back into Forex. And then after that, I was 21. That's when my trading took another curve, right? Then prop firm, I lost money in prop firms. That whole year when I was 21, I lost money. I lost like another 10 bands, just almost another 20 bands, just giving my money to prop firms. Because one day recently I decided to do the math and see how much money I had given prop firms, and it was like around there. And then it wasn't until 2022, this last year, that really took my trading to another level. Or 2023, the beginning of 2023 was when it all started as well. That's when I started seeing those $1,000 days, and started averaging really like $500 a day and all that. So 2023 was a year that trading really popped off for me. Warrior Trading, he's insane, literally my mentor. I don't really be looking at a lot of traders, so that's why I don't really know a lot of traders. Warrior Trading. I'm gonna look into him after this. Ross Cameron. Why do I feel like I've seen this guy before? I think I have seen that guy before. New York stock market opens up in 4 minutes, guys. It took some time, bro, but yeah, definitely worth it. I mean, my whole life I wanted to be a stock trader, bro. But through friends and family, you get distracted, and you pursue other things to make other people happy, and you try to live the life that other people want you to live. And that was one of my biggest mistakes, living the life other people wanted me to live. And it was till I decided to live the life that I wanted to live for myself that I started, getting into trading and taking trading seriously. And that's when I realized trading was what I wanted to do, right? Because everybody tells you, don't trade because it's too expensive, you'll lose money, it's a scam, you're not smart enough, you need to go to school for that. They tell you a whole bunch of reasons, they give you a whole bunch of reasons to why you won't be a profitable trader or why you shouldn't do trading, but nobody will ever give you the reasons to why you should trade, right? So I didn't have anybody like that. Yo, facts. It literally wasn't until my mom started seeing money, that she started seeing I remember, bro. It wasn't even till recently. I remember coming out here to Ecuador, and my mom was like, "What are you gonna do in Ecuador?" She already knew I traded. She would see me every day, trading on my computer, Like she used to see me every day trading on my computer, and she would see me like working 2 jobs and shit. And then when she saw me like working no jobs and just on the computer, she was like scared. She's like, "What are you gonna do? What are you doing?" I'm like, "What do you mean? What am I gonna do? What do you see me doing? Right? Like, what do you see me doing, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Like, you see me on the computer looking at charts, right? That's what I do. That's what I'm gonna continue to do, and I'm doing good at it." So, but are you making money? Like, I'm like, yeah, I'm making money. Like, how do you think I don't ask you for anything, right? And then when a year ago, my mom started like, asking for money every month and everything. And I would give her money every month. And then a year late, like recently, she was like, "Oh, I'm so proud of you. Like, are you sure you're gonna be good in Ecuador?" I was like, "I'll be more than great in Ecuador. Like, the money I make in Miami, I spend a lot of money in Miami, right? Like, I'll be able to save money and everything, but oh shit, I thought the Wi-Fi went out. Thank God, because my TV turned off on its own and all that. So, um, but yeah, like bro, like making 10K over here, like you're a fucking, you're goat status. You're a fucking king, Making 10K in Miami is like, it's normal, It's like, alright, like like nothing big. Moving in Ecuador was a smart choice. Facts, yeah, man, it definitely was. I tell people, because here's the thing about me, guys, right? I come to Ecuador, like whether I live here or not. I come to Ecuador at least once or twice a year, like guaranteed. Every Christmas, like it's a family tradition to reunite in Ecuador, every Christmas and New Year's, and majority of the years I spend my birthday over here as well. So it's tradition. I normally come out here for like 2 to 4 weeks, but this time I bought a one-way ticket. I've been here 1 month already, but I plan on staying here till January. So it's just a long vacation. The longest I've ever been in Ecuador was for 3 months. So now I'm staying like 1 month extra, 2 months extra. That's all it is, a long vacation. And plus I get to save money here. I get to like, oof. Where were we trading before? 14.6. Low-key might want to wait for the buys to set up. I want to see how we can trade near this, why do I have this there? I have this there for a reason. Let's go to the daily. Or the floor. Oh yeah, I see now. Yeah, bro. Let's link in Chris, bro. Definitely, Ecuador, you be living that lavish lifestyle. Yeah, but I mean, remember, I can't live too lavishly, so that's why I save more money. Like, it seems lavish, right? Because things are so cheap here. Like, I can go eat at a 5-star restaurant, have the bottle of wine next to me, have the golden steak, if they even have that here, which they probably don't, right? I can get that filet mignon with like asparagus and like have that 3 entree meal, and then like you'll think that I spent like what it costs over there, right? And you'll just correlate it with Chicago, right? Because you see it on my IG, and then you're in Chicago, so you're like, oh damn, over here that cost to do all that $500 at a restaurant. Like damn, like that boy living lavish, but in reality, it's not really lavish living. Like, it's just that dinner probably cost me like $200 over here, right? But it's just, how do you say it? Like I don't consider it lavish, bro. It's just lifestyle. I guess I don't know. It's just cheaper over here. But yeah, don't get me wrong. Not everybody can do being over here. Like the people here can't really be doing that. How an American can just come and do it like easier, right? The American appreciates it more. The Ecuadorian will like want it more, I guess. Oh, this guy's riding horse without me. Hold on. Nah, guys, cause I'm gonna be horseback riding in the next 30 minutes, so it's looking like a no trade day so far. But that you see, talking about lavish, I don't know if you consider that lavish, but to me that's not lavish, right? But the fact that I can just, you know, I have like fucking 6 horses here. I can saddle any one of those horses up and just go for a ride. I fucking love that, bro. You know, like over there in Miami, like I have an uncle with a ranch as well who has horses as well, and I can go ride horses there. But it's just different lifestyle, you know. It's different. Have you met any other traders in Ecuador? I know I've met Ecuadorian traders like you. There's like 2 other ones. One of my mentees is Ecuadorian as well, a guy that I'm mentoring as well. He's from Loja, but no, like Ecuadorian traders out here like that I've met. I haven't met one yet. It'd be dope to meet. Maybe I haven't really searched for them as well either, so I don't really. I mean, I think I would. I don't know. I don't really care, to be honest. I just care. I don't really be focusing on other traders like that, to be honest. I just like focusing on myself, my trading, and all that. That's about it. Cheap facts. The economic is way different. The economy is way different, and it's fire. Yeah, facts. Like, think about it. The economy here is based off of. They're not communists, but they have like it's socialism over here. That's what it is. Socialism. Now they're trying to go. There's certain presidents and there's certain candidates and there's certain politicians that would like for it to be a communist country, right? But the new president that seems that it's gonna get elected, he's capitalist. He believes in capitalism. He studied in Harvard. He went to school in the U.S., so he's done, studied in Harvard and everything. He's a very smart guy. He's the son of he's the son of Ecuador's richest man. So they know money. They know how to make money. They know how to make this country money. So he's got great ideas and everything. So the economy will be much better now with him, I believe. I found a life like, yeah, bro. This is what it's all about. Like that's what I was telling my mom. Like I want to be 4 months here, like from here to January, I want to see what I can do here, right? I want to see how much money I can save. I want to see how much money I can make. I want to see what I can do here, the projects, what I can build. I want to just be out here for 4 months, right? I want to also shape myself to be the person I've always wanted to be. I've always wanted abs, bro. I've never in my life had abs, and I want abs. I will have abs. I will get the abs. And that's why I'm out here as well. Like, I'm here to work on personal goals. I'm here to work on myself. I'm here to be better. I'm here to become the man I've always wanted to become. And I want to become the man that, like, next time I meet a girlfriend or something, I want to make it harder for her to leave me. Like, I used to be a punk. I used to be, fat, and I used to be broke. Like, and I'm not broke anymore. I'm not fat, but like there's still progress to be done. There's still things that I need to work on myself, and there's things that I can make better. So if I know that I can make certain things about myself better, why not make them better, right? Just like trading. If you know you can make your trading better, why not make it better? So same thing here. I'm working on these personal goals that I really want to accomplish, and I want to take my physical health to the next level. I want to be healthier. I want to be not just wealthier, but healthier as well, because health is wealth, and wealth is health. 1904. So yeah, like, the life hack here is make American money and live a nice lifestyle here to a point where it feels so rich. Now, obviously, I'm not trying to stay comfortable. It's always I want to stay uncomfortable at all times, but maybe in January. Sorry, I was thinking about December going to Colombia. So maybe in January I move out to Colombia and I stay out there for like 2-3 months, and then I stay in Argentina for 2-3 months, and then I stay like I want to travel. Like I've met traders, and most traders, like or a lot of every trader who I've met, they all have different goals, right? They all have different wants and needs, and a lot of people, a lot of traders come from they make money in their new money, so they don't know how to spend their money, because their family has never had money, and they've never had money, you know, but they make money all of a sudden, so obviously they're gonna want the things that they've always seen, right? My family has money. Like I come from money. Like I'm not old money, because I mean at the end of the day I don't. The money is not mine. Like it's not like I can just go and access it, right? But I know what it is. I know what it is seeing the cars. I know what it is seeing the houses, the watches. Like yeah, I mean I would like all that shit. Like I have a fucking watch. Like I don't need more watches. Like I don't need a car. For all those like I don't. It doesn't really like yeah. I would like a fucking Ferrari, but I don't need it. Like I don't really want it so bad to a point where like I'm gonna fucking grind and I'm gonna fucking just save to have that. Like no, I wanna. I'm all about experience and I'm all about memories, and I want to travel. That's something that I've always wanted to do, and I finally like just decided. You know what? Fuck this. Like in Miami, I was just pretty much working to rent or eventually buy a house, get a car, and then I was like thinking, I was like, damn, like I'm gonna spend like $2,000 on a car just to have a nice car, a car that I like, a car that I want, a car that looks good, a car that drives fast. A house, I'm gonna spend like another $4,000 living in a nice house that I want, nice house, that's nice, chilling, comfortable. Going out, another $2,000-$3,000, So I'm like what? I'm gonna be spending almost 10K a month over here in Miami. Like fuck that. Like yeah, I know, I get it. You don't need 10K a month in Miami. You can get away with 5K a month. But the whole point is, I don't even want to spend 5K in Miami. Like I would much rather travel, visit every single fucking country in the world, and spend 5K in that country. Like I could spend 5K here and be happy, but I won't spend 5K here because it's impossible unless I go and I start spending and I buy shit and I go to every fucking club every fucking night, and and I get the most expensive service. Obviously you can, but like that's not the goal. I'm trying to be next, in five bands in Colombia. I would be living just right, like exactly how I'm living here. I'll be living over there. So I don't want to spend the 5K in Miami. I want to spend it traveling. I want to make memories. I'm all about experience. I've been arrested before, several times, so I know what it is to lose your freedom, and the fact that I'm free, I want to enjoy that freedom. I want to travel. I don't want to be in one place. I see people, they make their money, they got their girlfriends, and they settle down. They're 24. They've never been outside of the U.S. And they're making money, but now they have kids, and they're limited. Like now you gotta you can't just go and fucking go to Colombia and go to the Amazons with a kid, for instance. Like I have the luxury of going anywhere I want and doing whatever I want to do because I don't have any responsibilities. I don't have anything or anyone to look out for. You get me? It's just me and myself. So After I have traveled the world, then I can make, a decision and said, oh, you hit TP? Hey, let's go, sir. After I travel the world, then I can make a decision and oh, but you hit it a while ago, bro. Oh, you just hit it. That's a long ago. Then I can make that decision and just say, you know what? I liked it when I was in fucking Thailand. I'm gonna move to Thailand. I liked it in Canada, or you know what? Brazil was so nice when I was there 2 years ago. I fell in love with Brazil and I want to go back to Brazil. Or maybe I say, maybe I'm fucking crazy in the head and I'm like, you know what? Japan was where it was at. I'm living in Japan, but everybody wants to like pick a place to live, but nobody ever really wants to know where they really want to live because they've never traveled the world. Like, how do you know you want to live in Miami or Chicago or Texas or New York if you haven't even traveled the world? You're living there because you have to live there, or because you just you're looking for work or something. But after I've decided all that, then Tokyo. Like if I decide to live in Tokyo, okay, I live in Tokyo. Then I'll go and I'll buy the house in Tokyo. I'll buy the fucking Ferrari in Tokyo, and I'll have my fucking Ferrari. I'll have my mansion, my penthouse, wherever the fuck I have, but in Tokyo. And if I want to go back to Miami, I'll go back to Miami. And if I can afford to have a house in Miami as well, then I'll have a house as well in Miami. Look at IMVT. That shit is flying. IMVT. What is that? Immunovant. What is this? Is this one of the shares, one of the stocks that you're trading? Immunovant. Bro, look at this. Oh, I see. Brother, but damn, this is dope. But look, see, now I want to go back. I'm gonna end the live stream because it's no trade day for me. But I'm gonna end the live stream with something, guys. To anybody who's new here or anybody who's just tuning in, this is why I'm a big believer in fundamentals. Look at the stories that were being released 2 hours ago before the New York stock market opened up, right? New York stock market just opened up 15 minutes ago. 2 hours ago they released this. New York stock market opens up, and look at that. Fundamentals is key. So always pay attention. Same thing. I wasn't expecting there to be news today. I go check the fundamentals and there was news. Your entry was 34.90. Damn, you got it over here. You got it at the top and you sold it at the top. Scalper status. That's facts, bro. The whole reason I trade top gainers, they only have good news for these stocks, so you would only be taking buys. It's fire. Hey, AJ, dubs day for you, my brother. Dub day for me as well. No trade day is another dub day. To me, it's a dub. Guys, I hope you guys have a great trading day. Happy Tuesday. It's been a no trade day. Stay patient, focus on your goals, guys. Stick to your trading plan, to your trading rules. Guys, anybody can do it. All you gotta do is put in you gotta put in the work. Stay prepared for those opportunities. Whether it's buys, sells, whether it's trading, whether it's work, whether it's school, whatever it is, guys. I wish nothing but the best. AJ, DM me so we can talk about that account management that you were interested in. DM me on Instagram, that I'll be there on Instagram. And happy Tuesday to you as well, AJ. Nothing but love, guys. Stay blessed. Have a blessed Tuesday. Peace out, guys.